Let's highlight some of the awesome Keystone Tax Solution software features that will make your work faster and easier. To add your business name to the dashboard, select the Configuration menu. Scroll down and tap on Office Setup. Click on Office Name to change it to your business name. Once changed, the business name will populate on your dashboard. If you want to change the language default from English to Spanish, in the Configuration page, scroll down and click on the box Default Tax Returns to Spanish. Back on the Configuration menu are additional features. Another feature that will save time is the Custom Fees and Discounts feature. This will give you a baseline fee and discount schedule and will save you from having to look up fees when creating a return. Select Custom Fees and Discounts in the Configuration menu. At the bottom, click on Add Custom Fee. Here you can add an amount, give it a name, then select the options below of Charge by Default, Allow to be removed when charged by default, and if the fee can be edited on the return. To save your new fee, click on Continue. Another feature on the Configuration page is Fee Setup. Selecting this will allow you to add custom fees per form or set a range of fees for your staff. The minimum preparer fee is the minimum you would allow your staff to charge. The maximum is the most you will let them charge a customer. If you leave these fields blank, they will have no limits and can charge or discount any amount. This is a great feature when you have other preparers working for you to keep everything consistent in your office. You can also set fees by each individual form. Scroll down to see all the federal and state forms below. To input or change a form fee, click on the amount and enter it. These fees will then be set for each form you select. When the preparer in your office selects a form for a customer, the fee will automatically be added. Another feature is for those preparers that want to be able to print a physical copy of a part of a return or forms from a return, but don't need to print the entire return. You can select the forms needed and create a print set to use over and over again. From the Configuration page, scroll down and select Print Sets. Click on Add Print Set. Give your print set a name. Next, you can filter the forms by state, then select the number of copies of whatever forms you want to include in this print set. When you go to print the return, there will be an option to print just the print set you choose instead of everything in that return. The next feature is a question template for internal use. This allows you to add questions to a return if you have preparers working under you to help them do their due diligence. From the Configuration page, select the Questions templates. I have already created a couple of questions. To add an additional question, click on Add Question. Next, type in the question you want to ask. For example, I will type, Did the taxpayer have identification? I want this to be answered internally by my preparer, so I will check the box Is Required. In the Available Answers box, click on Add Answer. I will type Yes. Then click on Add Answer to add another available answer, and I will type No. This will give them only two possible answers. If your question requires more than two possible answers, just click on Add Answer and add each additional answer individually. When finished, scroll down and click Save. These questions will be asked at the end of the return and must be answered in order to be able to finish the return. This will help your preparers under you do their due diligence. Next, let's take a look at our Security Template feature. This will allow you to allow or restrict access to certain users to parts of the program. From the Configuration menu, scroll down and select Security Templates. I have already created one that would be for a new temp employee. First, you will need to create a template, then you can assign users to your security template. To create a new template, click on Add Security Template. First, give the template a name. The default is to give a user full access. Uncheck the areas that you want to restrict access, then uncheck any fields you want to restrict access to in the program. To save your new template, scroll down and click Continue. Now you can assign individuals to the template, so when they log in, they only get access to the areas you want them to have. Now let me show you some features that you can customize within the program. A great feature is our Document Manager, which allows you to store your client's information in their profile in the software to eliminate paper and help make your office paperless as much as you want. All the information is stored in the cloud to eliminate potential problems of storing information on a single computer. For example, when your client gives you documents, scan them and then upload them into their profile. On the main menu is the client list. Simply click on the Tools drop-down box and select Scanned Documents. Drop them on this page to upload, or click to do a search on your computer or network for the scanned files. I will select this manual and click Open. Once uploaded, click on Save Uploaded Documents. After the upload is completed, you will see the document you just uploaded. We can also access the scanned documents from inside the return as well. Once in the return, click on the taxpayer's name and select Scanned Documents. This will save you time if you are already in the return. Keystone Tax Solutions has an electronic signature feature, so your client only has to sign once and the software will apply the signatures to all the documents that require their signature. From the submission page, click on the Edit Signature link. The customer can sign using a mouse, or if you have a Topaz signature pad, they can use that as well. Once signed, click Save. If you are interested in the Topaz signature pad, please let us know and we can help you get the one that is compatible with our software. We also have a great customizable mobile app which your customers can sign using the mobile app as well. In order for your customer to use the mobile app feature, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Taxes to Go. There you will find a link that you can copy and send them in order for them to give you their electronic signature using the mobile app. Another paperless feature is the ability to email your customer their return. This not only saves time, but saves paper and ink. Click on Compose Email. Now create a password that they must enter in order to view the return. The system will send them the password via email. Put your email in the From box and the taxpayer email in the To box. Enter a subject and message, then click on Send. Your customer will be able to view the tax return without you having to print it out. The next feature is the Customer Portal. It works just like the mobile app, but can be used on a desktop or laptop. The Customer Portal will also let the customer submit documents from any of their devices, just like the mobile app. With the mobile app, you will send your customer a link to their phone so they can download the mobile app to their phone. To access the Customer Portal, click on the customer name at the top, then click Create Customer Portal. Enter the phone number and email of that taxpayer. Click Continue and the system will send them a link to create an account in the Customer Portal. The Customer Portal will allow them to also upload and submit documents you might ask for or need right from their devices. Whether they use the mobile app or the Customer Portal, any document they upload will automatically be loaded into the Document Manager, also called Scan Documents, in their customer account. This allows you to be a completely paperless office while saving you time from having to scan and upload documents yourself. To communicate with your preparers, Keystone Tax Solutions has a message center located in the main menu. Click on Message Center. Click on Create Message, then select the people in your office you want to send your message to. Click OK, then enter your message down below. Those individuals will get an alert that they have a new message to review. Keystone Tax Solutions can give you the opportunity to brand the software for your company. Have your logo and business name appear instead of Keystone Tax Solutions. For more information about this feature, please contact us. Keystone Tax Solutions, affordable tax software designed to grow your business.